This is Raul with Realty One Group, and today we're just going to talk about the type of loans out there. Your loan officer that you choose should be able to go more in depth on them and what you're going to be able to do. Either take a conventional loan versus an FHA loan, or if you're a veteran, you can do a VA loan. And if none of those fit, you could do a hard money lender loan that's going to have high interest rates and higher down payments, but sometimes that's the only option for a client. But being that the most used loans are going to be FHA and conventional, just one of the main differences between FHA and conventional is the down payments. On an FHA is going to be 3.5%, and on a conventional it's going to be either 5%, and in some cases they have a 3%, but you have to ask the lender about that. Okay, the MI is the most important thing. If you can qualify for conventional, that means you also qualify for FHA. Okay, but ask your lender why you should take conventional versus FHA if you can qualify for conventional. It's a great question for you to ask, mainly because the FHA loan carries MI for the life of the loan, and a conventional loan has a maximum of 7 years, and you can do things to refinance it out of it, because it is money that you are paying that has nothing to do for your protection. Mortgage insurance is to protect the lender if the borrower, any borrower, does not make their payments. Okay, so you want to get rid of that as soon as you can, and on an FHA loan you can't. And if you're refinancing to another FHA loan, then you still have MI because they cannot take it off. It stays there. So those are questions that you should ask your lender when you're getting pre-qualified. That way you know which one you're going to use, which is best for you. Sometimes there's no option and you have to do an FHA loan, and that's the way it is. But maybe 3, 4, 5 years down the road, things change that you actually can go on a conventional loan. You should call your lender back again to see how you can get rid of that MI, if it is possible. It is not always possible, but those are great questions for your lender. The VA loan is a great loan because if you can actually do it because you're a veteran, it's an 100% loan. It's going to be very similar to a conventional loan, but it has less things that you can have to pay, and it's 100% no down payment. Like FHA or conventional, that you have 3.5% to 5% down. On a hard money lender loan, hard money loan that they call them, your down payment on an owner occupied, it can be as high as 35%. And on an investment property, there's going to be flip or rental, you could maybe 10 to 20%. But those are loans that you want to stay away unless you really, that's the only option. So, but again, the best person to tell you about this would be the professional loan officer. Thank you. Till the next time. Have a great day.